Welcome to SKB Diary. The John Deere 853M feller buncher is designed for precision and power, making even the most difficult tree felling chores seem straightforward. Imagine slashing through heavy timber with ease, as its high-capacity cutting head moves quickly through even the most difficult forests. With its superior stability and agile design, the 853M provides complete control, transforming difficult terrain into a smooth operation. Whether you're deep in the forest or working in harsh conditions, the 853M provides both strength and finesse to any job. The PON Cobra harvester is a master of adaptability, capable of handling everything from thinning to full-scale logging. Consider navigating through dense woodlands, as this machine's powerful harvester head and agile frame make short work of tree felling and processing. Its powerful control systems and sturdy design allow smooth operation even in the most difficult terrain. The PON Cobra doesn't just adapt, it shines, providing consistent, high-efficiency harvesting every time. The TigerCat 1165 harvester is designed for high productivity in harsh forestry environments. Imagine powering through dense lumber with its sturdy cutting head and powerful hydraulics, which make quick, precise cuts. The 1165 blends agility and strength, making it ideal for steep slopes and challenging terrain. Its ergonomic cabin and innovative control system allow you to work longer and harder, transforming challenging tasks into smooth, efficient processes. The TigerCat 1165 is more than just a harvester, it is your key to completing the most difficult chores. The Komatsu 911 harvester is a powerhouse of innovation and efficiency, built to handle the toughest woods. Imagine smoothly navigating dense forests with its precision harvester head making quick, clean cuts. The 911's superb stability and smooth hydraulic controls ensure that each tree is processed with minimal effort. Whether on rugged terrain or in tight spaces, This machine provides performance and dependability, allowing you to transform hard effort into a smooth, productive flow. The RUNE F10D forwarder is designed to transfer huge loads with ease, making logging operations more efficient than before. Imagine transporting enormous amounts of lumber through challenging terrain while the powerful engine and superior suspension keep the ride smooth. The F10D's ergonomic design keeps you comfortable even throughout long hours, and its straightforward controls make loading and unloading a breeze. The RUNE F10D does more than merely move lumber, it also increases productivity. The VALMET 860.4 forwarder combines power and agility, making timber transport feel smooth in even the most challenging conditions. Imagine crossing uneven terrain with ease since its sturdy structure and powerful engine can manage hefty loads. With its intelligent control systems and remarkable stability, this machine ensures efficient and dependable performance on any task site. The VALMET 860.4 not only transports lumber, but it also improves your operations efficiency. The John Deere 1470G harvester is designed to maximize productivity in large-scale forestry operations. Imagine chopping down large trees with ease because its powerful harvester head delivers quick, clean cuts. Whether you're working on steep slopes or in dense woodlands, the 1470G boasts unrivaled steadiness and precision, making even the most difficult tasks seem simple. With excellent automation and ergonomic controls, this harvester transforms lengthy hours into smooth, efficient work, allowing you to complete the job faster. The Ecolog 688 harvester is designed for maximum efficiency and productivity in heavy-duty forestry operations. Imagine yourself in the driver's seat, harvesting trees with precise precision thanks to the sophisticated harvester head and powerful engine. The 688 is built to traverse difficult terrain with ease, combining strength, agility, and cutting-edge technology to make every job faster and more efficient. The Ecolog 688 is more than simply a machine, it's a performance booster that transforms forestry into a more efficient, productive industry. The TigerCat 1185 harvester is a heavy-duty machine that significantly increases productivity in forestry operations. Imagine cutting through dense forests and steep hillsides with ease, as its powerful engine and durable cutting head make light work of even the most difficult trees. Its innovative hydraulic system and robust design assure smooth, dependable performance regardless of the weather. The TigerCat 1185 is about more than just cutting down trees, it's about mastering the forest and converting challenges into triumphs. The HSM 208 Farads forwarder is designed for strength and stability, making lumber transport in difficult terrain seem straightforward. Imagine effortlessly moving enormous quantities of timber through difficult forest conditions, thanks to its strong structure and powerful hydraulics that enable smooth, controlled movement. The 208 Farads' sophisticated design and user-friendly controls make loading and unloading lumber faster and easier, allowing you to stay efficient and productive. The HSM 208 Farads is more than just a forwarder, it is the foundation of your forestry operations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing machinery in action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SKB Diary for the latest updates.